Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, November 14th, 2025. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum quoted to USDC on Zondacrypto. This market looks like it is very heavy and it is about to move lower. So we are going to switch from the daily to the weekly. And on the weekly time frame chart, you can clearly see on what point of this movement we are, right? In what point of the cycle we are. So let me just place my let's say Fibonacci retracement tool, and we are going to mark all of this movement to the upside, right? So this movement is 100% move, and now we are moving towards the 50% Fibonacci retracement located roughly around 3162. Okay, so we are keep testing this level. Nevertheless, we can drop even lower. We can drop even towards the level of 2753, which is the 61% Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame chart, and still this cycle to the upside will be dominant cycle, because that movement to the downside will be considered bearish but corrective in nature, right? So as long as we trade above the 61% Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame chart, the outlook remains bullish, right? So the line in the sand is the last strong retracement level on the weekly time frame chart, 2753. For now, that situation with the downside movement is completely justified, because this is clearly one of the more strongest movement to the downside. If we take a look at the RSI indicator, it can clearly shows us that we went up towards the extremely overbought conditions. We moved lower towards the level of 50. We broke the level of 50 points on the RSI, and now we are moving even lower. Current reading of the RSI is 43 points only, right? So technical support on the weekly time frame chart. The technical support is located here, and it's very close, as you've seen, to 2750. So it might act as the technical support for the pools in case the market wants to get towards this level. Please notice that this level here was the swing high. There was a correction, and then breakout candle is visible breaking above this level, obviously, and then the market even go even higher, but never return to test this level here. So the question remains whether this correction will be deep correction towards this level in order to test it and then resume the uptrend, or break below this level and go then towards the yearly low at 1424. For now, the outlook remains bullish. We are still in the corrective cycle, visible on a daily and on the weekly time frame chart. So by the end of the year, we should test this level here. If this bearish pressure intensify, we should test this level here, and then the reaction of this for this level and reaction to the 61% Fibonacci retracement at 2750 will be the key market reaction, market participants reaction for this level that will determine the further market movement, either bounce and uptrend continuation, or breakout and then another big cycle, right, to the upside would be finished in that situation, and the swing low would be next for a test in a few weeks, right? So this is the situation, a little bit bigger time frame chart. This is the situation for the Ethereum for the bigger time frame chart. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.